Do you want to make money with cryptocurrency? In this video, I will show you 10 different methods to start making money with cryptocurrency, including initial coin offerings or ICOs, staking, and play to earn. Now, I know that a lot of people are getting into cryptocurrency because of the potential to make a lot of money, but there are a few other options to make money with it other than just investing it. So whether you're just starting or have been involved for a while, I think you'll find something helpful in this video. We've compiled a list of 10 different methods that will help you make money with cryptocurrency. Of course, some are easier than others, but all of them are worth trying. Remember though, that there are serious risks involved with all investments, so do so at your own risk. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Method 1. Early investing. Promising new coins are a great way to make money online with cryptocurrency. By investing early, you can get in on the ground floor of a new coin and watch it grow over time. This is the best way to maximize your profits and minimize your risk. There are also a few things to consider when choosing an excellent coin. You want to check out the team behind the coin. They should have a strong track record in the industry and be well respected by their peers. Next, look at the coin's technology. It should be based on sound principles and offer unique features that other coins don't have. And don't forget to check out the coin's community. There should be a vibrant community of users and developers who are passionate about the project. If you can find a new coin that meets all the criteria, then you're on your way to making some serious profits with cryptocurrency. An investment in Bitcoin would have cost less than a cent since Bitcoin was created in 2009. And when Ethereum token was released in 2015, it was worth only 75 cents per token. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Method number 2. Staking and interest, earning passive income. Thanks to the invention of blockchain technology, it's now possible to earn passive income on your idle cryptocurrency tokens. One way to do this is by staking them in a proof-of-stake network. This allows you to earn interest on your tokens without putting them at risk in a volatile market. In addition, staking can help secure the network and can even lead to rewards in the form of new tokens. Cardano and Tron are two of the most popular staking networks. Interest accounts are a great way to learn how to make money with cryptocurrency without doing much work. You can deposit your tokens into the account and let the interest accrue. Most interest accounts work like traditional banks so that you'll earn interest on your deposited cryptocurrencies. When you lend cryptocurrency coins, they're not transferred into a smart contract like they would be if you were staking them. Instead, your tokens are used to lend money to individuals who need it. The borrower will have to pay you at a rate of interest when they borrow your tokens. Lending your tokens out is a great way to generate passive income. You can use this income to reinvest back into your crypto portfolio or to help cover expenses in your everyday life. Method number 3. Play to earn crypto games. Play to earn cryptocurrency games offer gamers the opportunity to earn rewards for playing their favorite games. By playing these games, gamers can earn in-game items such as digital assets that can be used to purchase upgrades or power-ups. In addition, they can also earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency, which can be traded for other forms of currency or used for purchases of goods and services. Method number 4. Crypto yield farming and lending. Crypto yield farming and lending is the process whereby you use your cryptocurrencies to generate an attractive APY. To do this, you will need to have some sort of lending platform that allows you to do so. Once you've found a lending platform that suits your needs, create an account and deposit your cryptocurrencies onto the platform. From there, you can choose how much you would like to lend out and for how long. The great thing about crypto yield farming and lending is that it's a very hands-off way of earning an income from your cryptocurrencies. All you need to do is set up the account and deposit your coins. The platform will do the rest for you. In addition, the interest rates on these platforms are usually relatively high, so you can earn a decent return on your investment if you play your cards right. Method number 5. Day trading. If you want to make money by trading cryptocurrency pairs, then day trading is the way to go. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies within the same day can take advantage of short-term price fluctuations to generate profits. Some people prefer to trade only major cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, while others are more comfortable trading smaller pairs. Of course, day trading is not without risk, and you'll need to have a firm understanding of the market before you start. Again, this is not financial advice. Before you day trade cryptocurrencies, you need to find a regulated crypto exchange with low fees. This is important because you don't want to be charged an arm and a leg just for trading fees. Once you've found an exchange that meets your needs, you can start day trading. To succeed, you need to learn how to recharge and make quick decisions. Method number 6. HODL long-term. Cryptocurrencies have been around for a while, but they have only started to gain mainstream traction in the past few years. While there are many different ways to invest in cryptocurrency, one of the most popular is known as HODL, or HODLing. This strategy involves buying cryptocurrency and holding it for an extended period of time, regardless of market fluctuations. While this approach may seem risky, proponents argue that it is one of the better ways to invest into cryptocurrency. They point to the fact that the market is still relatively young and immature, and that prices will likely increase over time as more people adopt cryptocurrency. Furthermore, hodlers often argue that they are not simply investing in a financial asset, but in new technology with the potential to transform how we interact with the world. While there is no guarantee that hodling will be successful, it has undoubtedly been a popular strategy among those looking to invest in cryptocurrency. In May 2021, for example, the price of one Ethereum token was $4,300. In less than a month, the price was at a low $2,100. If you sold your Ethereum tokens out of fear, you would have suffered a 50% loss. However, if you had invested in hodling, Ethereum was trading at almost $4,900 per token by November of that year. Method number 7. Faucets. Completing simple tasks. Faucets are one of the most popular ways to earn free cryptocurrency. A faucet is a website or app that gives small amounts of cryptocurrency for completing simple tasks such as viewing an ad, answering a CAPTCHA, or clicking on a link. The amount of crypto you can earn from faucets varies, but is usually relatively small, as in cents, like we're talking cents, people. However, these small amounts can add up to significant amounts of cryptocurrency over time. In addition to earning crypto from faucets, you can often earn by completing other similar tasks or simple tasks such as filling out surveys or watching videos. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn some free cryptocurrency, be sure to check out some of the many faucets available online. Method number 8. Mining cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency mining is verifying and adding transactions to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. For this, special computers were made that can mine faster than ordinary computers. With new technology, you can connect a hardware device to your desktop computer and start mining cryptocurrency. This process helps secure the blockchain and can be profitable if done correctly. When you mine cryptocurrency, you're rewarded with coins for each block you verify. The amount of coins earned per block depends on the type of cryptocurrency that you are mining. If you want to start mining cryptocurrency, do your research first and connect your hardware to a desktop device that can handle the load. Cryptocurrency mining can be a great way to earn some extra income, but it is essential to know what you are doing before you get started. Method number 9. Airdrops. Free crypto tokens in your wallet. Airdrops are when a new cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to the community. They will either deposit the tokens into your wallet or give you instructions on claiming them. This is usually done to promote awareness about the project and get people involved. Airdrops are a great way to earn free tokens and learn about new projects. However, make sure to do your research before claiming any tokens. Some airdrops may require you to complete tasks such as social media posts or filling out a form. Others may be malicious and try to steal your private information, so be careful and only claim airdrops from projects that you can trust. Method number 10. Buy a DAO or DAO share. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations or DAOs are a new type of company powered by blockchain technology. Unlike traditional companies, DAOs are not controlled by a central authority figure. Instead, they are governed by smart contracts, programmed to execute certain actions based on predefined rules automatically. One of the most appealing aspects of DAOs is that they offer shareholders a say in how the organization is run. For example, shareholders can vote on proposals and decide the company's direction. Additionally, because DAOs are decentralized, they are less vulnerable to corruption and tampering. This makes them an attractive option for investors who want to be more involved in the governance of their investments. If you're interested in investing in a DAO, you should keep a few things in mind. Because DAOs are relatively new, there is still some uncertainty about their long-term viability. And because they are decentralized, tracking down the individuals responsible for running them can be challenging. In addition, because they rely on smart contracts, DAOs can be subject to attacks from hackers. Despite these risks, investing in a DAO is a great way to get involved in the exciting world of blockchain technology. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you didn't miss out on how to create a t-shirt design that sells.